Morning, ladies and gentlemen, it's Chris, Oz Canopies and 4x4. What do we got today? We've got a special treat for y'all. A Kia Tasman in today, going to get a hard lid fitted. I'm gonna have to talk over all the workshop noises. I'm not starting this video again. We're gonna go through the assembly of the lid, we're gonna go through the fitment of the lid, and we're gonna get right into it. I'll catch you guys at the end of the video. Alrighty guys, hopefully you enjoy the assembly and fit process of this lid. You can just see just how much reinforcement goes into building these lids so that we can make sure that we can get that 300 kilograms loading capacity on top of it. The guys are putting the finishing touches on it now, so I'm not going to go through and ruin anything that they're in the middle of doing. But you can see also how the lid is manufactured to suit this, I don't want to say awkward shape, I'd say interesting shape that the Kia Tasman has. So if you want to grab one for yourself, you can grab one online right now at ozcanopies.com.au. Other than that, like the video, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We've got a lot more of these videos in the pipeline across all the different models that we work on, and we'll see you guys on the next one.